Meaning of Google.
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 Google. Google is a search engine that was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. It quickly became the most popular search engine, allowing users to search for information on the World Wide Web. The term Google has since become synonymous with searching for information online. The company has since expanded to offer various other services such as email, cloud storage, and mobile operating systems. Google's mission statement is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Today, Google is one of the largest and most profitable technology companies in the world.